Hey guys, hello everyone and welcome to the channel. So this video is regarding the admission processes which are going on in various IISERs. So by far now almost all the IISERs have opened their admission portal for the upcoming January batch, and I have already made videos on the IISERs which have already started it since last few days. The last date is just about to get finished. I would recommend you to watch those videos in case if you want to fill the form, and if you are not aware that how to fill it, so you can watch that particular video. In this video I'll cover all of them, like I'll just give a notification for the previous ones, and the upcoming which are new IISERs I'll just include them in the video, right? So regarding IISER Pune, I have already made a video. In the I button I'll give you, you can watch that out. So how, like, what are the eligibilities and all these things are discussed in that video. Then IISER Bhopal also I have discussed in the video, so you can watch it. A single video was there for IISER Bhopal, and one more was there, that was NIISER Bhubaneswar. So for both of them I have made a single video. So all these three institutes have been covered, their admission processes are going on. Please fill the form if you are eligible and want to appear in these. Now the IISER which I am going to talk about today in this video is IISER Kolkata. Now IISER Kolkata has opened its advertisement for the admission of PhD program for the spring semester of 2022, and that is for all these subjects. Now you can see it's for biological science, chemical science, computational and data science, earth science, humanities, physical science, CAFM, mathematics and statistics. These are important dates and FAQs. So I'll talk about chemistry as such. So let's click on this. We'll be taken to a page where you have the degree of philosophy program, that is DCS program, and this is the advertisement for that. So basically for the chemical sciences, there are certain eligibility which you should know, that the minimum eligibility is that you should have 55% marks in MSc. Along with that, besides satisfying the minimum eligibility, you should also have either qualified CSIR UGC NET JRF or Inspire Fellowship or any other equivalent fellowship. So IISER Kolkata is not taking this year admission based upon your GATE rank. They want either Inspire Fellowship or some of the fellowship like CSIR JRF. Now candidate with the Inspire Fellowship should have provisional certificate at the time of application, and it is also mentioned that if you fulfill the minimum criteria, that does not make sure that you are going to get shortlisted. Their internal committee is going to shortlist and the list will come soon, like on the website. Then you have like there is a reservation, and in the specific area, like all these things are given, like if you belong or if you want to do research in some interdisciplinary research area, then these are the topics which are given and how you can apply for them. So this, for this particular topic, you have to apply for PhD in biological sciences. Okay, so just like that, you can come over here. These are also some of the interdisciplinary topics like structural biology, NMR spectroscopy, and cell signaling. So this is a topic. For this also you have to choose biological sciences. Either the topic comes under chemistry department or it will be taught in the chemistry department, but since it is an interdisciplinary topic, that's why the form filling of this will be done in the biological sciences subject. You can read about it in detail, and that's what this is about. So I will just tell you some important dates so that you don't miss it out. So the application portal closes on 15th of November. So make sure that if you want to appear for this and if you fulfill the eligibility criteria, do apply it before 15th of November. And the shortlisted candidate will be called for written test or interview on 25th of November, and interview window will be between 10th of December to 15th of December, and then the interview result will be published on 21st of December, and that's how PhD registration will start from 31st of December, that means from the 2022 first week. So this is what they have made as a tentative date for their admission process. So IISER Kolkata, I don't have to say about it any as such. It's one of the best institute to do research in India. Okay, next institute which I will talk about is IISER Behrampur. It's comparatively a newer IISER compared to IISER Kolkata, but still it's one of the good institutes. So you can come over here that the admission process for January 2022 has begun, and again they are taking admission in biological sciences, chemical sciences, mathematical sciences, and physical sciences discipline. A student with a master degree or equivalent in biology, chemistry, mathematics, or physics, or any relevant interdisciplinary area closely related to the main stream are encouraged to apply for the PhD program. PhD student must successfully complete their coursework. Rest of the things are given to you. Let's come back to chemistry and let's see over here. So you can see the broad area of research are given, that what are the area of research they are doing in. You can read about them. Each and every topic or each and everything which is given in comma is actually a research area. Okay, so like computational is a different area, material and physical chemistry, that's a different area, right? You can read about it. There are various topics of research which are going on in IISER Behrampur. Okay, what are the eligibility? So the first eligibility is that you should have MS, MSc, MTech, MPharma, MBBS or equivalent discipline with a minimum of 60% marks of CGPA, or if you have getting CGPA, that should be 7 on 10-point scale. Then if the transcript grade sheet issued by the institute university reports only marks, percentage will be considered. If only grades, then CGPA will be considered, and if CGPA will be calculated as per the following formula, the formula also they have mentioned. Okay, so that's what it is. Additionally, okay, apart from that, additionally you should have qualified any national level exam like NET, GATE, UGC JRF, CSIR JRF, JEST, JEE Bills, ICMR, Inspire, PhD or NET LS or Rajiv Gandhi Fellowship, or any other recognized score is mandatory. Now, see, IISER Behrampur is taking admission based upon your GATE score. So, if you have quite a decent GATE score, you can go for this, right? One more option is there, that if you have done BSMS dual degree graduate from the IISERs, and if you have done BTech from the IITs, and if you have like CPI greater than 8, then also you can apply for IISER Behrampur. Okay, student whose result for CSIR, GCNet fellowship or Inspire fellowship or any other equivalent fellowship are awaited may also apply with their roll number mentioned in the application. So you can read about this. Student who are appearing or about to appear for the final exam of the qualifying degree, that means for MSc, they are also eligible to apply for PhD. However, if selected, admission to the PhD program would be conditional upon completing the qualifying degree with the defined marks criteria. So if you are in the final year of MSc and if you fulfill all the eligibility criteria, then you can apply for it, but your admission to the PhD will only be considered once you qualify or once you pass out your MSc or your masters with the recognized marks or with the marks which they have set. A relaxation of 5% marks or equivalent will be given to the SC, ST and PD categories. Mere fulfilling the eligibility criteria does not entitle that the candidate will be called for the interview. So you can apply, and that's what it is. Important dates or important instructions are there. You can read about them and you can just come down over here. So these are certain contact informations on which you can contact, and you can have your queries sort down. Okay, so if you want to get a query of chemistry, you can just mail to this HOD_chem CHM basically @IISERBPR.ac.in. So that will take care of your queries. And just to make it clear that the fellowships in all the IISERs, like whatever IISER you join, the fellowship is 31,000 per month, and that's it. Okay, and if you are living outside the campus, you will also get the HRA. So that is fixed, and that's what it is. Now, if you want to apply for IISER Behrampur, you have to click on this particular link, that is click here to apply for PhD program. Just click over here and you will be taken to the form, and here you have to just this is the step 1 where you have to register, and then you can log in using your email ID and password which you have registered for, and then you can fill the whole form as such. Okay, so the deadline is 5th of November. So in case if you are interested to apply for IISER Behrampur, the last date is 5th of November. Make sure that you are applying before that. So this was all about this particular video. I tried to cover all the possible places where the admissions are going on right now, and if you guys are interested and you fulfill the minimum eligibility criteria, then please go for it and apply for it, and all the best for your admissions. That's all for my side. I will see you in the next one. Till then, have a great day. Bye bye. Hey guys, so I teach live on Unacademy Plus platform. Here I teach for the CSIR UGC NET category, and you can follow me over here for regular classes. You can access my free classes as well as my paid classes on this particular platform. The classes which are free, you can get that under the section of special classes, whereas in order to access my paid classes, paid live classes, you have to take Unacademy Plus subscription. So do make sure that you take the Unacademy Plus subscription to access all my paid classes, which are quite organized. The whole syllabus is being completed over there, and the classes are quite regular over there. So make sure that you take an Academy Plus subscription by using my referral code, that is N_Huda. That's it for this. Thank you so much.